Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to create an account on Instacart. Creating an account on Instacart is quite easy, so without any delay, let's move into the video. Visit the Instacart website, open your web browser and go to www.instacart.com. Locate the sign up option. Look for the sign up or create account option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on sign up or create account. Once you have found the sign up option, click on it to begin the account creation process. Provide your information. You will be directed to registration page where you need to enter your details. Typically includes your name, email address and password. Follow the prompts to fill the requirement information accurately. Complete additional information. Depending on Instacart registration process, you may be asked to provide additional information such as your address, phone number and payment details. This information is necessary for order delivery and payment process. Agree to terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Click on sign up or create account. After providing all necessary information and agreeing to terms, click on the sign up or create account button to complete the process. Verify your email if required. Instacart may require to verify your email address by clicking on a confirmation link sent to your email. Once you have successfully completed the sign-in process and verify your email, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created. That's it, you have created an account successfully on Instacart. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more future tutorials.